if I were to ask you to name something really Cornish, what would you name? Maybe pasties? Fish and chips on the seaside? A little fishing village full of boats in a harbor? What about a tiny little narrow road through the countryside? One-track road, really high hedgerows on either side so you can't see where you're going and you can't fit two cars side by side without scraping through the hedgerows and possibly a stone wall. So what makes you think of Cornwall? Well, one thing that I associate with Cornwall with great fondness is fishermen singing sea shanties. So when we were in Looe a couple days ago and saw a sign on this pub, a very, very old pub in Looe, saying that on Thursday nights, it's sea shanty nights, I said, sign me up. We're gonna be here on Thursday night. Let's go. So we're headed over to the pub now. I have no idea what to expect. I don't know if it's going to be like one of my favorite movies, Fisherman's Friends, where it's a literal band of local fishermen who get together and sing a cappella sea shanties, or if they'll have a band with playing instruments, or maybe it's a sing-along and there's audience participation. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm excited about it. Whatever it is, I'm here for it. So let's go check out the sea shanty night. We were in Looe yesterday and it was a nice sunny day and it was low tide when we were here. And this one thing I love in Cornwall is when you come to these fishing towns and you're in the harbor and all the boats are just sitting on the sand because the tide is so low. It's funny to see it now because the water is so high. It's up here almost the same level as the street. And of course it's raining now, but I'm not going to complain. It's just a slight mist. And we're headed to the pub. Or as they say, we're going down the pub. I think that's what you say. Do they say that down here in Cornwall in the Southwest? I know it's a Northeastern thing to say, we're going down the pub. Gotta let me know, British people. I mean, if you were going to go to a place that was doing sea shanties, wouldn't you want to go to a pub called the Jolly Sailor Inn? I mean, that's kind of perfect, isn't it? The oldest pub in Looe from 1516. Oh, I can't wait. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to film inside, so we'll just see how it goes. Duck your head and watch your feet. I'm fighting my way to the bar so that I can order drinks for us. It's a tight squeeze in here. It's a very snug pub. Ian has already drained his drink, but I think he's still safe to drive because it was only a ginger ale. Well, it's 8:20 and no sea shanty singing has started. That's hard to say. So I'm hoping that this is not just a bait and switch type situation where they're trying to get people to show up at the pub by saying there's going to be sea shanties. So as we're waiting a very long time for these sea shanties to start, these nice Welsh people let us join them at their table because there were no other seats in the bar. They are from South Wales, and tell me your first names. Mary and Colin. Okay. Well, nice to meet you, and thank you for being so friendly and welcoming. We've been chatting about South Wales quite a bit as we're becoming the best of friends as we wait forever for the sea shanties to start. And this is Ian's Aunt Mary. I'm going on a reconnaissance mission to see if there's any sign of sea shanties happening. This is them. They're starting, and we're in the absolute wrong end of the pub, so I need to get the rest of us down here.
London light is now in sight, but cities is a barren ground. Well, Cornish lads are fishermen, and Cornish lads are miners too. But when their fish and sing along, what are the Cornish lads do? The winding engines used to sing a melody to Cornish days, and gig the lads they all would grin at payday on a Friday. Well, Cornish lads are fishermen, and Cornish rollicking randy-dandy-o. So hey the ball, yeah, hey the way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stowed. We're rollicking randy-dandy-o. And so will they shooting out from the docks. Way, hey, roll and go. So out of your bunks, boys, on with your socks. We're rollicking randy-dandy-o. And so will they take it right past the bay. Way, hey, roll and go. So just to the bubble is heave away. We're rollicking randy-dandy-o. Outward bound for Valley Bay. Way, hey, roll and go. So get cracking, lads. It's a hell of a way to be rollicking randy-dandy-o. The crow's nest wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a spell up in the crow's nest wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all hang on behind, because we'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. And we'll all hang on behind. Well, some nights with some girls wouldn't do us any harm. No, some nights with some girls wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, some nights with some girls wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all hang on behind, because we'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. And we'll all hang on behind.
So now I understand how the whole sea shanty thing at the pub works. The sea shanties, of course, there's got all these verses and then a chorus. So it is audience participation, sing along, because the whole audience can sing along to the chorus. And then the shanty singer is singing all the many verses. So yes, it's repetitive, but that's what makes it fun, that everyone can join in. And you know, the shanties really, many of them tell a story, or they're kind of political commentary, or all kinds of things.
Oh, I got a girl across the sea, she's a maiden. I know a poor old man. Oh, wake her, oh, shake her, oh, wake that girl with a blue dress on and take them down. I know a poor old man. Oh, was you ever in Mobile Bay, a scooping cock for $1 a day? Gonna come down. I know a poor old man. Oh, wake her, oh, shake her, oh, wake that girl with a blue dress on and take them down. I know a poor old man. When I was a nipper, well, me murder up and told me away, all away, Joe. And if I didn't kiss the girls, me lips would go a moldy. Away, all away, Joe. To me away, hey, all away, we'll all away together. Away, we'll all away, Joe. To me away, hey, all away, we'll all the better weather. Away, all away, Joe. I used to have a Bristol girl by the name of Katie. Away, all away, Joe. And then she moved to Cornwall, she lives up the road from Blighty. Away, all away, Joe. To me away, hey, all away, we'll all away together. Away, all away, Joe. To me away, hey, all away, we'll all the better weather. Away, all away, Joe. Old Louis was the king of France before the revolution. Away, all away, Joe. And then he got his head cut off because his constitution. I am the way, all the way, all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, we're all the way together, away, all the way, we're all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, we're all the better weather, away, all the way, we're all the way, Joe. You call yourself a first mate, but you can't tie a bowling, away, all the way, all the way, Joe. Ah, you can't even stand a straight when the packet is a rolling away, all the way, all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, well, all the way together, away, all the way, all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, well, all the better weather, away, all the way, all the way, Joe. The cookies in the galley is a feeling kinda randy, away, all the way, all the way, Joe. While the captain's in his cabin, he's a drinking all the brandy, away, all the way, all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, well, all the way together, away, all the way, well, all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, well, all the better weather, away, all the way, well, all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, well, all the way together, away, all the way, well, all the way, Joe. To me away, hey, all the way, well, all the better weather. To me way, all the way, well, all the way, Joe.
Well, that was really fun. I'm glad that we came. I really enjoyed the fact that everyone was getting into it and singing along. And I felt like it was a truly Cornish experience. So I'm glad I had it. Now, if you decide to visit Cornwall and go to a pub that's having a sea shanty night like the one here in Looe, here's my advice. Go early. Ask where the shanty singers will be performing. Get a table and eat dinner there so that you're near where the performance is happening. And then just plan on staying there, you know, for the evening because we went right before the singing started. We didn't know where to go. We were in the wrong place in the pub, and so we weren't able to sit. So it would be a much better experience to just go early, know what's going on, and sit in the right place. But I highly recommend it. I hope you enjoyed this video of the sea shanty singing in the pub here in Looe. Please check out some of my other Cornish videos here, and I'll put a link to my whole Cornwall playlist in the description. Thanks so much for watching this video, and do something good in the world today.